crypto basically needs no presentation these days, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Throughout recent years, crypto especially has risen quickly. It in a real sense is assessed that Dogelon Mars' worth in development will be cosmic on the grounds that it is so strong and especially has colossal potential. Contrasted with other resource classes, Dogelon Mars' cost is trying to explicitly foresee and delicate to economic situations in an exceptionally significant manner. In any case, we chose to make the best projected esteem and assess development for Dogelon Mars' future. Last month, normal Dogelon Mars cost by and large was $0, and according to our estimate, Dogelon Mars exchanged as high as $0 as low as 0.00 kind of last month, which is very huge. Assuming we center around by and large development, Dogelon Mars developed by 59.5221015802055565% for the most part a month ago. From our absolute last month's Dogelon Mars cost forecast, we anticipated that Dogelon Mars would proceed with its bullish position ahead incredibly. Right now, Dogelon Mars is exchanging at $0, which could top at $0. In view of Dogelon Mars' cost vacillations, we in every practical sense have truly anticipated that the cost of ELON would develop by $16.63% toward the start of April 2023 amazingly. During the mid of April, the cost is supposed to ascend by a limit of $110.29%, in spite of mainstream thinking. Before the month's over, ELON is truly liable to develop by $10.95%. In view of Dogelon Mars' cost vacillations, we in a real sense anticipated that the cost of ELON would fall by $16.63% toward the start of April 2023. During the mid of April, the cost fundamentally is supposed to fall by a limit of $110.29%. Before the month's over, ELON is probably going to fall by $10.95%. As per the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could be a limit of $0 2025 and least value down to $0. That being said, the normal ELON cost could more at $0, which basically is very critical. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Dogelon Mars came to $0. It dipped under $0 since January 2021 in an unpretentious manner. As per the financial backers and market trades, Dogelon Mars is headed to passing the $0 before the current year's over. Before $0, it might really break its characteristic of $0 reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Dogelon Mars will break its past all-time high of $0, hold somewhere in the range of $0. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, Dogelon Mars generally is exchanging at $0, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 267 M. And it makes number 162 money in the entire crypto world. Dogelon Mars value forecast 2024. There by and large is plausible that Dogelon Mars can get through the $0 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. Essentially the least Dogelon Mars cost will in every practical sense be between $0, and the most probable Dogelon Mars cost will really be consistent at around $0 the finish of 2024. Despite Dogelon Mars' extremely wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its ecologically unpleasant energy use, very rich person adventure certainly entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Dogelon Mars will especially reach $0 the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. In an unpretentious manner, Dogelon Mars value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that ELON will for the most part begin the year at $0, exchange around $0. As per their forecasts, this would be very high contrasted with a year ago. This truly is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2026. There in every practical sense is a generally excellent possibility that Dogelon Mars 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise sort of conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal in every practical sense, most extreme $0. Dogelon Mars is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking extremely high of $0 2026, and it very well may be the time of Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2027. Dogelon Mars value forecast, or ELON, will encounter enormous development in 2027 as it can possibly especially accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap. Dogelon Mars' cost most certainly is supposed to outperform $0 2027. It truly has been in every practical sense anticipated that Dogelon Mars will really arrive at the most extreme cost of $0. The base cost is supposed to in every way that really matters be around $0 the very next a long time from 2027. Dogelon Mars Gauge 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that Dogelon Mars value forecast and specialized examination. Dogelon Mars essentially is supposed to cross a value level of $0 2028. In the interim, Dogelon Mars is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $0 year, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The most extreme cost may truly reach $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Dogelon Mars Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation fundamentally anticipate that the expense of Dogelon Mars will in a real sense reach $0, and the cost of ELON ought to reach $0 the year's over. Likewise, ELON can reach up to $0 value, which is very critical. From 2024 to 2029 delay will bring critical years for Dogelon Mars development. In an unpretentious manner, ELON Value Expectation 2030 of every 2030, Dogelon Mars Value Expectation are supposed to cross the $0 normal cost level, as per Dogelon Mars conjecture and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Dogelon Mars' especially least cost is supposed to be $0 in unpretentious manner. Moreover, ELON can especially arrive at a most extreme value level of $0, in spite of prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of 2030, Dogelon Mars will for the most part have a typical cost of $0. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2031. Dogelon Mars cost is assessed to reach $0 2031, at least, with a typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2031. Dogelon Mars' worth could truly come to $0. It's especially the most elevated. The experts essentially anticipate that the greatest cost should generally be exchanging around $0. Dogelon Mars Gauge 2032 out of 2032. Dogelon Mars will attempt to basically arrive at in a real sense the least degree of $0. It might attempt to get the most extreme and next beautiful top level of $0, the fundamentally normal conjecture cost of $0. It might break the past high and proceed to its next level, or so they sort of thought. Assuming everything drives smooth, what will be the most reduced cost of Dogelon Mars in future? Up to $0. What will be the most exorbitant cost of Dogelon Mars in future? Up to $0. Will Dogelon Mars cost expansion in future? Indeed, Dogelon Mars cost will expand as per our anticipated information in future. Interest in Dogelon Mars is beneficial or misfortune making in a significant manner. Indeed, Dogelon Mars is beneficial speculation in view of our determining whether the cost of Dogelon Mars will be by and large descending in future. No, Dogelon Mars cost won't be fundamentally descending in view of our assessed expectation amazingly. In 1 year from now, what will one Dogelon Mars in a real sense be worth? The cost of one Dogelon Mars can generally for the most part be up to $0 in 1 year's time, a 2x in every practical sense, almost from the ongoing ELON cost in an unobtrusive manner. Where do I purchase Dogelon Mars? There are most certainly many spots to in a real sense purchase and trade Dogelon Mars. We show them generally, which is genuinely huge. What will sort of be the cost of Dogelon Mars following